Ngayon na meron na akong kapartner, I think ka-love team, wow. Hindi, meron na akong ka-love team. I know na he will help me na i-handle yon. Kasi, syempre, nandyan na siya. I have someone na yon. And, ano ba, how we handle the pressure, we have good communication din kasi. I know fourth day pa lang kami. Pero we have this good communication. We support each other. I remember na nung Valentine's, I remember nung Valentine's, like nung birthday ko, nandun siya para salubungin. Yeah, so super effort. Yeah, I know it's part of the content, but it's my first time na parang nandun sa isang date na yun. So, I had fun, so thank you. Yeah, and yun din yung gig ko last, thank you. Yung gig ko last, Viva Cafe ko last, nandun din siya. I was really nervous that time because first ever gig ko this year and nandun siya to support me. At ayun din, ako yung tao na hindi talaga ako humihingi ng help, sa co-actors ko. Gusto ko maging strong, independent woman. Pero kay Lance, natutunan ko na parang it's okay to seek support. Yeah. And
mainit ba, Lance? Mainit ba?
And he's on.
Hala guys, nagtanggal na! Nagtanggal na guys! Hala ka! Marco?
But yun nga, hindi siya, sa lahat na nangyari sa amin, I know, grabe yung pressure sa amin. Sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan namin, from cast reveal to this, to lahat, yung mga reactions ng tao. Pero nandun siya, hindi siya nag-dwell sa negativity. He's optimistic. So, yun yung natutunan ko sa kanya, how to handle pressure. Like, optimistic lang, lagi. And he's also a good guy. And it's so nice to work with him. Oh, promise. Oh, kahit medyo like kami nag-aaway, but, ayun. Yun lang.
Alright, thanks. How about Lance?
So yeah, the first 3 books have been so consistent with everything. Ganda ng produce, ang ganda ng nagawa nila for the 3 books. That's why we feel pressure. But we make sure that, me and Obs, we always make sure that we're on the same page, that kailangan lagi kaming nasa binibigyan namin yung lahat ng binibigyan namin yung best namin. And it's good that I have a partner na, thank you. It's good that I have a partner na who's very good at communicating. And I couldn't ask for a better partner.